is a Silco machine, and you press, I forgot to turn it on. You turn it on, there's a switch right here, and then, see? And these are the fabrics it comes with. So, these are sort of like felt, but it's just so that and these needles go through, and it's not actually threading, it just punches them together to make it look like it's threaded. So, and here's some strips, and my favorite part about this, the felt statues, which is super duper cool. Ooh, I'm working on this, but that's not for this video. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make this cute little chihuahua. Now let's get to it. So first, evenly put them together, which is the hard part for me, because there we go. There. Ooh, no, it's supposed to stay right. Yeah, your hand is supposed to go there. I was about to say that this was a chihuahua, but it's a bulldog. So, and it comes with stuffing, and I made this cute little emoji. This is from a different set with my friend Dee, and I just made this purse before the video. And I also made this headband. Let's start. I'm gonna start where its back is, because that's the part that's straight. Okay. Some room to put the stuffing in. Where did I? Oh. So on the back you can see the parts that it looks stitched. I'm gonna do a close up. Cupcake, you're blocking the camera. Okay, let's finish. Now. You need to leave a spot for the tail, her body. And goodbye. Well, not goodbye to you guys. Goodbye to stopping. And I'm going to turn it off so it doesn't waste batteries. We're going to take an even amount of the stuffing. That's way too much. This is how much we need. We do not need all of that. I'm stuffing a bag here. I just know. So the interesting thing about this is that I've been getting interested into these because of a get together, and we use sewing machines with Jackie, Miss Jackie. So I got interested in them, in sewing machines because of that. So yeah, and I'm getting a sewing machine from my grandma, but I say it different because I have a different culture than some of the people that are watching this video right now. So just found out about this from my friend. So let's sew up the little gap here. Do you guys think I should put... Oh, forgot. I turned it off. Okay. Yeah. That part's a little... And I'm waiting for her sewing machine. And there's a little cute chihuahua. Bulldog that he made. Isn't it so cute? It's so cute! Ow. Bye, 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 bye. P.S. This is not a sponsored post, and I just love this, my baby. Baby.